This is the best free website builder out there to date. It's not only a free website builder, but you can build sales funnels, do email marketing, affiliate program management, business automation, host evergreen webinars, provide online courses, do blogging, and sell digital products as well as physical products. The sales funnels, you can create funnels with proven templates already there. You can send unlimited emails and create email campaigns. Easy set up your website in under 10 minutes with an easy drag and drop website builder. Affiliate program management, you can create your own affiliate program, as well as business automation, where you'll be saving time and energy by automating your business. Evergreen webinars, it is a brilliant software. Build your online courses, blogging, and sell products. All this you can do in the free plan. You can do this with your own customized domain. Look at this. Look at this. Stop wasting time trying to connect multiple tools to create your business online. This one tool will save you so much time and money. Check the link below. It'll take you to create your free account. Let's look at what you're getting. Unlimited emails you can send for 2,000 contacts. It is free. Sales funnels, you can have 3 sales funnels, 15 sales funnel steps, 1 blog, unlimited blog post, 1 course, unlimited students, 1 community, unlimited community members, file storage, unlimited, automated rules, 1, workflows, 1, tags, 1, email campaigns, 1, one-click upsell, 1 order bump, A/B testing, 1, coupon code, 1, deadline funnels, yes, student activity history, yes, Stripe integration, PayPal's Razorpay, Flutter integration, Paystack integration, Zendesk integration, cash on delivery, assisted accounts, yes, run your own affiliate program, yes, API requests per minute 30, 24/7 email support, custom domains 1, evergreen webinars 0, free migration, one-on-one kickoff coaching. It is a brilliant platform. If you're not on it, I highly recommend you do get on it, and get on it now. Click the link below for your free account now.